folks. Get ready for a mad cash chase to the magic number. Let's watch our contestants hustle, gather, and triumph in quick cash.
Remember, last season, a lot of teams won by prioritizing teamwork.
The Kingfish are bursting into Vault 1.
Raising a shield!
And just like that, we got our first elimination of the match.
It's a test of nerves and skill from here. Our contestants will have bigger fish to fry now. The Kingfish have started our first cash out.
Here's some cover. Throw grenade out. Don't shoot. Setting a barricade.
Misfortune for the shock and awe. Team wiped.
Shields up.
The shock and awe are back on the scene.
Barricade deployed. Doing things up. Throwing. Creating a safe zone.
Way to open the match. The Kingfish land the first cash out. The Kingfish are uncorking Vault 2.
Barricade deployed. Placing a cover. Come up here! Going to cash out A!
The shock and aw's last contestant needs to stay focused on avoiding a team wipe. Cash out
Reinforcing the
underway
area.
thanks to the Kingfish.
Here's some
A bit of
protection!
virtual catastrophe for the shock and awe. Team wiped. The Shock and Awe are back and ready to avenge that team wipe.
Throwing some goo. Scanning for opponents. Scanning that area. Raising a shield. Barricade deployed.
Contestants might want to have a plan B ready because an event is about to interrupt their strategies.
Dome shield active.
Adversity for the boundless. Wipeout.
Throw away your physics textbooks and hold on to your chairs. Things are about to move a bit differently.
Barricade check. Doing things up.
All out of time. Unbelievable determination from the competitors. As we power down the simulation and our contestants unplug, let's take a moment to applaud our new rising stars.